Hey guys, what's happening? How to turn off game mode on iPhone. So simply go ahead to the settings, right? And you can do this by swiping down to your control center. And if you're currently using the game mode, you can just disable it from there or while you're playing a game. Or you can just go ahead to the focus like I'm doing and then go to the gaming, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the gaming focus. I'm gonna delete the focus at the bottom right here, and then just double click to confirm that you want to delete the gaming mode, right? You can also control the wireless right here if you want to keep the gaming focus and you want to just manually do that. You could just go ahead to the wireless controller and just disable the gaming focus, right? So the gaming focus will be activated automatically when you connect a wireless controller, right? And you can delete the focus immediately if you don't want gaming mode activate automatically. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.